Frigo Camello, buffo fardello.
In the middle of a scorching city, an old refrigerator was abandoned on the street. But something strange began to grow inside it. In the dead of night, a thirsty camel leaned against the appliance. Suddenly, its head fused with the cold metal. The hybrid rose, refrigerator body, human legs in heavy boots, and a camel's neck curiously gazing at the world. It trotted through the avenues, between cars and buildings, repeating a nonsense sound, FRIGO CAMELLO, echoing through the streets. Captured on phones, remixed into chaotic songs and glitch edits, FRIGO CAMELLO became legend. Half camel, half fridge, 100% brain rot.